All right, this is the Ford Escape. It's a 2025 and this is the hybrid model. And inside we're testing out the fit of our BlitzBed double sleeping platform. So I've got the BlitzBed folded up in the trunk and you can see it fits really nicely between the wheel housings. There is a little bit of extra space between the end of the BlitzBed and the back seats. And we do also have some cubby space underneath the BlitzBed for some of those smaller items. It's really low profile. You can throw your groceries right on top and it really doesn't take up too much of your trunk. So I'll quickly speed up the process of setting up the bed. And this is what the bed looks like, fully deployed. So the bed is in its lowest level position. It's resting directly on the back of the folded seat. You can see we have the driver and passenger seats pushed forward, and you can see we have an unimpeded space here that you can put your larger items like an ice chest. Now I have a twin size mattress on the BlitzBed and I'm gonna hop in to show you what it looks like. And remember, this is with the bed set up in its lowest level position. I'd say there's a decent amount of headroom. I can't sit up fully, but that's to be expected in any SUV of this size. So there you have it. That is the walk around tour of the BlitzBed double in a Ford Escape 2025 hybrid.